Welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about keto desserts that don't taste low carb. These recipes are designed to satisfy your sweet tooth while still keeping you on track with your ketogenic diet. Number 1. Keto Chocolate Chip Mug Cake. This is the perfect last-minute low-carb dessert for one. Number 2. Ketogenic Strawberry Donuts. These donuts are so moist and delicious, you'll be shocked that they're low-carb. Number 3. Low-carb Chocolate Chip Cookies. Soft and chewy chocolate chip cookies. You'll really enjoy this. Number 4. Keto Diet Apple Pie. You may be wondering how on earth you can make a keto apple pie because apples are a no-no. Number 5. Chocolate Peanut Butter Cheesecake Bars. Chocolate peanut butter cheesecake bars are out of this world, with a cookie crust and creamy filling topped with cookie crumbles. Number 6. Keto Vanilla Panna Cotta. Pure, unadulterated creaminess for a luxurious keto dessert. Number 7. Keto Candied Pecans. Candied nuts are a weakness of mine. Number 8. Keto Berry Cobbler. This keto blackberry cobbler is a low-carb and sugar-free twist on the classic fruit cobbler. Number 9. Strawberry Shortcake. Dessert we just can't get out of our heads. Tastes delicious any time of day. Number 10. Keto Whipped Cream. It is a creamy, delicious whipped topping made with real cream. Number 11. Soft Doughy Cinnamon Rolls. Soft cinnamon rolls made with a simple homey dough are super fluffy and light. Number 12. Fudgy Keto Brownies. These keto brownies are fudgy, chocolatey, and low carb. Number 13. Best Keto Pumpkin Pie. It has all the delicious flavors of traditional pumpkin pie, but in a low-carb, gluten-free, and sugar-free version. Number 14. Keto Cannoli Cheesecake. Keto cannoli cheesecake is sinfully delicious with light, creamy filling. Number 15. Keto Raspberry Ice Cream. This keto raspberry ice cream recipe is rich, creamy, and made with just 4 ingredients. Number 16. Lemon Meringue Custard. These custards are like mini lemon meringue pies, but without a crust to fuss with. Number 17. Tagalong Peanut Butter Cookie Bars. This is low-carb, gluten-free, grain-free, sugar-free, and trim-healthy mama-friendly. Number 18. Raspberry Cheesecake Keto Brownies. These keto raspberry cheesecake brownies are the perfect low-carb dessert. Number 19. Nutter Butters. These cookies may not taste exactly like Nutter Butters, and the reason is because they don't have all the junk ingredients in them. Number 20. Keto Twix Bars. These keto bars have a layer of biscuit, topped with delicious homemade sugar, free caramel, encased in a dark chocolate coating. Are you tired of struggling with high or low blood sugar levels? Our comprehensive guide offers proven natural methods to help you take control of your diabetes. Say goodbye to constant worries and hello to a healthier life. Click the link below in the video description to access our valuable insights and start your journey towards better health today. If you found this review helpful, please keep this video in thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.